We will be signing a couple of contracts this afternoon, sorry, and I will give a brief overview before I make specific comments. So these are the projects that have been undertaken by the Honorable Prime Minister during his visit to different parts, different areas of the country. These only small grants that he's been covering our ceremony very well over the years. These projects are largely to assist those that are privileged in areas of importance and need, largely targeting the children and the needy. And the Office of the Prime Minister, together with the construction unit of the Ministry of Economy, we ensure that these projects are successfully completed. The tender process has been completed and assessed by the Government Tender Board. Now it's time for the Prime Minister's Office to ensure these contracts are done. We will put in place. We will continuously and closely monitor this project until completion. So the first project we have is for RKS, Rwanda School in Tailebu. This was committed by the Prime Minister during the opening of the QVS school in January this year. Under the small grant, this project is to refurbish the kitchen in urgent need of repairs and improving of the hygiene. Also, more importantly, to ensure that the OHS compliance is fully met. The project cost is $267,050. I'm very pleased to announce that the successful bidder company for this project is Dunbar Point Limited. And Mr. Binana, thank you. We are now ready to sign the contract. Thank you. This particular project is for Queen Victoria School in Tailebu. Again, with the refurbishment and rebuild of the kitchen to ensure that the compliance with the minimum requirements are met. The kitchen was badly destroyed during DC Winston, and currently using a temporary room converted into kitchen to make needs cooking for the students. A number of issues that have been faced, for example, the issues with no water supply and the basic needs of the kitchen were not met. So the Prime Minister has assured that this will be rebuilt, refurbished as per compliance of the school. The total cost for this project is $237,620, and the successful bidder for this particular job is Super Construction and Civil Works, undertaken by Government Tender Board. So I warmly congratulate you, and I look forward for successful completion of this project with the minimum standards set. Thank you very much. Sign the contract. third project that we are signing today is to build a resource center in Nambua, and also it will be used as a community hall. This project is costing us $321,550. The reason that why this is being done is the request of the community. The whole purpose of getting it done is to ensure that the children during examination needs are able to use this hall to study, and also that community is wanting to host some seminars and workshops, community building. So at the moment there is no such place for them. Prime Minister gladly accepted this because this is to promote a good community leadership. The project is expected to be completed very soon, and we wish the contractor once again, the super construction and civil works limited to successfully complete this project within the specified time, and we congratulate you again that your bid has been successful with the government tender board, and we'd like to see this completed as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you very much. The construction of Patanakila settlement retaining wall and drainage system. This is again a commitment by the Prime Minister earlier part of the year. The project cost is $10,073.16 under the small grants, and we expect that this community hall is adjacent to the retaining wall which is going to be constructed. The current excavation work has posed some threat to the existing community hall in terms of mudslide and other risks. So we agreed that this retaining wall be constructed to ensure that there is no threat to the wall. So once again, I'm going to say that this community project will be taken by the committee of the committee, and this was the request being put to us, so we have accepted this, and we're happy to sign the contract this afternoon. Ready with this. Very much for, and we look forward to